What is going on, drawittoo crew? Ramny here with a brand new vlog video for you guys. And as you guys can see, this is not a tutorial. It's been a while since I did a tutorial, and I know many of you guys are probably wondering what's going on with your channel, what's going on with you, that kind of thing. Well, as you guys can see behind me, this office, this drawittoo studio is in shambles. Take a look. Because right now what I'm doing is I am dismantling this entire room and pretty much putting everything in boxes. And unfortunately, one of the things that I have had to put into boxes, apart from my action figures, which if you guys don't know, I do collect action figures. I had a whole bunch of them on display here, and I had to individually wrap them in bags, put them in a box, and that was a lot of work. One of the things that I had to put away right away, it was my drawing equipment, just because I had to make some room. So sadly, that meant that I was not able to do or make any tutorials for you guys. Things are actually going a lot faster than we thought with the move. We're moving next week. Isn't that crazy? Well, if you guys missed my last video, I did talk about us moving to a brand new place on the other side of the city here in Bangkok. And yeah, the reason is because I got a new job. So I'm going to be teaching at a new school this week coming up. I'm filming this on a Sunday. This week coming up will be my last week with my students at this school that I'm currently at. So it's going to be a sad week. I'm going to be saying goodbye to a lot of them. A few of them I've taught for 2 years, almost 3 years. So definitely sad to leave, to see them go, or to see myself leave. And so it's been a bit of an emotional thing for me. So what's happening is I'm busy working, trying to finish everything in the daytime at work, and then when I'm home, I'm like putting things into boxes, I'm sorting through things, I'm throwing out our trash, that by the time like things settled down, I'm like exhausted, and I just couldn't make any more videos. So I don't know if you guys notice like bags under my eyes, but it has been a very stressful, not like bad stressful, but just stressful. Like there's just so many things that is going through my mind right now that I'm just going crazy with a lot of the stuff. And yeah, there's my daughter. Come.
Hello.
So yeah, I'm filming this on a Sunday, as I mentioned, and here she is. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you ready to go on a big move? You ready to go to our new house? Yay! She's actually she's been very helpful this weekend packing everything, and she actually helped me pack my action figures. That's why you don't see them behind me anymore, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so things have been really crazy, and that's the reason why I haven't been making videos. But the next time you see me, hopefully I'll be in my new studio space, in my new room. It's going to be empty, but I'm slowly kind of, once I disassemble this, we move, and then I'm going to reassemble everything, and it's going to be stressful. So once we move, I don't know how long it'll take before I actually get started making videos again, making tutorials. But if you guys could just bear with me, I would appreciate it very much. I am very much here wanting to make videos. It's just life is causing a lot of stress and I've had to put making videos on hold so that I could focus on this move, because it's crazy. It's like this isn't just a physical like move everything, but like mentally, it's letting go of a lot of things. Like we have had to sort through so much of our stuff to see what's going with us, what needs to be thrown out, and that's actually really exhausting. I don't know if you guys realize how exhausting that is to sort through everything, but like every single sheet of paper, every single like paperwork, you don't realize how much you accumulate. And one of the good things I like about moving is actually getting a chance to start over, almost like to throw things out that you don't need anymore, so you don't feel that like baggage. And we've had to do this many times. Believe it or not, I've actually moved 9 times in the last 12 years.
Not
So Yeah, nice house. And yeah, like we weren't even in this place, like this house right here. We weren't even here very long. We were here for like maybe 3 years.
3 years? That's very long. That's very long.
It's not long at all.
That's very long.
Anyway, so sad to leave this place. Happy to move into a new place and to start over again. And oh yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is when I move to my new place, I've been kind of taking this as a chance for me to upgrade everything. So I'll be upgrading kind of the studio. Hopefully I'll be able to paint the wall. That's the plan anyway, like new lighting, new desk setup, that kind of thing. So when I put those together, which is hopefully by the end of this, you're crazy. Hopefully by the end of this month, I'll be able to.
I just wanted to tell you it's dinner time, and also
It's
3
dinner
years.
time.
3 years is 365 days. 3 of them. 3 years. Bye. See you at dinner.
Yeah, so it's dinner time, and anyway, what was I saying?
Come down.
I will come down, thank you. Impromptu visit by my lovely daughter. But anyway, you guys, I'm taking this as an opportunity to revamp the studio. This is like the third, or this where we're moving, that's going to be the third drawittoo studio. My first one was back in the USA, back when we lived there. This is the second one. And yeah, like it looks really nice, it looks really functional, but I feel like I can improve on it so much more. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on like YouTube studio setup tours and desk tours and all that kind of stuff, and I've been inspired by a bunch of them. So I'm going to try to you know, revamp this whole channel, revamp the studio, and hopefully bring you guys more content sooner than later. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe upload a couple of videos just showing you guys what's going on with me. So I'm going to go to Instagram probably and do maybe a live stream, or like just upload to my stories there. So definitely stay tuned. But yeah, thank you so much for being patient with me, you guys, and I will see you guys hopefully in my brand new place, and I can't wait to show you guys because it's going to be cool. It's actually going to be smaller than this, so that's also one of the reasons why I'm revamping everything to make things more compact. And I have things ordered. I ordered a whole bunch of new lights. I ordered a bunch of like an overhead camera rig. I ordered that, so hopefully it gets here before we move. And then I'll show you guys everything. I'll give you guys a tour of the office before I begin the, you know, before I begin kind of like turning it into a YouTube space. And then I'll give you guys a tour of the office, or of my new place, once everything is all set up. And hopefully that'll be done. It'll probably be quite a long process, but I'm hoping that by the end of the month, I'll have something functional, because it's been a while and I miss you guys so much. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching, and thank you for being patient. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for waiting for me. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.